a strange day. There's no flag. There's no flag up there. I don't know what happened, but if you look closely, you will notice that there is no flag. What in the world? That is one strange occurrence, but I thought that since I was just driving around, you guys might want to know there be no flag up there. That is a very, very strange thing, and also a pretty sad thing too. I came to this location, as I usually do, to fly my drones around that awesome flag. Oh, sorry about that. That'll probably make somebody puke in the goggles if you're watching this in VR. But yeah, that's very strange. Very strange indeed. So what we'll do is I'll set up the DJI Mini 3 since I'm all the way over here. And we'll just get it up and running. But whoa! I was not expecting there to be no flag at all up there. So let's get the DJI Mini 3 out here in all its glory. I don't know what's wrong. The light is absolutely horrible. I've been trying to get nice effects out of the light camera here today, and I'm not getting any beautiful light effects from the camera. But hey, what else are you gonna do? So put the drone over here, and the drone, the DJI Mini 3 is awesome. Especially its new controller is so cool, because instead of those annoying little wheels, it's got these levers, and then you know how to gimbal it up and down is just so straightforward. Anyway guys, gonna get this nice bird up in the air. There's not that much battery, so I can't fly it for too long, but for whatever time that we have, it'll be worth it. Oh, there's honking going on up there. Honking is going on up there. I should get myself the Avata. The Avata would definitely be useful here, but not on a sad day where there's no flag. Not on a sad day like this. But it would give me a lot of game, you know, like for dating, which we all know is for rich people. So I don't do that. Let's see, let's get this up and running. We've got broadcasting ready to go, ready to run. And we'll just see what turns out to be the best. So anyway, let's go. I'm gonna start the broadcast. We made sure that the microphone is running, even though YouTube loves to remove the audio on my videos for no reason. As you guys know, I try my very best not to swear, to keep the profanity to zero. Not now, DJI. Not now, DJI. Anyway, let's turn on the bird and go for a little circle. Let's go for a little circle. First though, the bird needs to know what's going on, and it's going to do a little dance for us. So go ahead. Go ahead, DJI Mini 3. We're waiting for the little dance. And earlier what I did was I brought it to the field, and at the field we did some fun stuff. It was pretty fun. I tried to use the let me see, this thing has an amazing gimbal, as I said before, so why not take advantage? Here we go. So why not take advantage of it? I took the DJI Mini 3 here and tried to get it followed. So we tried to get a lock on it with the Hubsan Xeno Mini SE, and it was pretty cool. So long as it was on a simple sort of terrain. If you go onto like a crawling terrain with rocks and different stuff, then it will lose it. So what we'll